How to make a Creole infused brown paper bag chicken. Yes, guys, you will need some brown paper bags for this recipe. And some Creole garlic Cajun injector by Zatarain's. And a whole chicken. This is just a snippet, guys, of the recipe that's going to be next. I will show you step by step how to make this moist and juicy and tender chicken in a brown paper bag. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is called Lake Erie by Diamond ORTIZ, music producer, available at the YouTube free audio library. And you know what time it is. Go out and get you some brown paper bags and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.